Well, it allows us to grow, and that's one of the number one things. But more for us to continue to empower people, continue to empower the athlete, continue to empower storytelling, continue to empower so many great minds that we have that we've been able to gain over these years in order to build this company.
As this deal comes together, as what we want to continue to do with the Spring Hill Company and Uninterrupted is to take creators, people with fantastic minds, amazing stories that care about the communities and people in places that we come from, that we care about, that we know. We're going to lean in to that community and really tell stories that matter to them, create experiences and products that matter to those people, because we really care about those people. We know how they feel in this time, as you said, in 2020, people want to feel empowered. I feel like it's our mission and my duty as an individual and as working at the Spring Hill Company to give people exposure, give people experiences, give them stories that make them actually feel something that is more than they felt before they walked into an experience that we gave them, whether it be storytelling or a product.
There are a lot of athletes who choose to keep their sport as their platform, what they do on the court. You have markedly chosen not to do that. Why did you make that decision?
At the end of the day, to each his own. But for me, coming from where I come from and knowing my upbringing and seeing the statistics for guys like myself, not only males but also females, being underprivileged, and not having the resources to be able to make it out of your situation. And for me and for Maverick and for all of us, the guys that I grew up with, for us to be able to make it out of that situation, I felt like it was only right and a responsibility for me to give back those resources that I've gained along the way to the youth and to the kids that's growing up, behind me, to let them understand and let them know that you can also make it out as well.
Right.
It was something that I didn't choose. It chose me.
Right.
It chose me. And once I felt that, I was like, okay, this is my responsibility to know that I have to continue to empower the people, not only in my community, but all over the world as well.
When we think of someone who has harnessed the power of energy connections to excel what they do, LeBron James' name is front and center. Known for his dominance on the basketball court, LeBron also makes waves with his use of these patterns in business. Now, here's how he does it. Using his energy connections is about knowing what you care about the most and ensuring what you do every day matches the important things that you care about. Like LeBron, focusing on community, sportsmanship, and business using his physical communication. Here's how that goes. Think about how you move and use your space to show your confidence and your energy. LeBron uses his strong presence on the basketball court to lead and to inspire his teammates. In everyday terms, this could mean using confident body language in a meeting that you might have, or setting up your work environment in a way that helps you stay active and engaged. Using his resilience through working with others, this is about dealing with tough times by working with others to share in your goals. LeBron doesn't just win games alone. He works closely with his teammates and his coaches and his supporters, and even his fans. So, when you're faced with challenges, having a strong team or a supportive group around you can help you overcome obstacles and find new ways to succeed faster. Hi, I'm Kerry Ruff, a connection strategist. I specialize in taking what you're passionate about whether it be a product, service, or a unique skill, and connecting it with the world to transform the quality of your life. It's time to super change your life. We're cracking the code to unlock your full potential with a 3-step master pattern that I have dubbed Energy Connections. We're moving way beyond the surface and tap into what truly fuels our human needs. That's our beliefs, our emotions, and our intentions. Next, physical communication. It's about small action steps with a massive impact. It can change things. It can transform things. I'm talking about the moves that shake the ground under our feet. And finally, resilience and growth. You'll get tools and tips, not just about bouncing back, but bouncing forward when life spins out of control. Plus, discover why the best victories are won when you're on a team and working together. Let's watch and listen what he says about physical communication.
I would say that it all stemmed from my upbringing. It all stemmed from Akron. It all stemmed from all these people that we've met along the way that grow up in similar situations. And for us, when we talk about storytelling, we want to be able to hit a lot of homes where they feel like they can be just as part of that story, or they feel like, oh, you know what, I can relate to that story because I am someone that's going through that same situation. But as far as what we do, it's very organic to to our upbringing.
And that seems to be at the core of what you're trying to do with this company, Matt. Is that fair?
Well, I would say at the core of the company is a mission, and it's about empowering greatness to every individual around the world through entertainment, content, products, and experiences. And that mission is and that vision is the company that we want to build. And then we build products, whether they be content, events, experiences, apparel, that fits that mission instead of the other way around, which a lot of companies build products and then write a mission, right? We're a company with a mission.
Now there you have it. Let's wrap this up with something that you can truly use. Every day we've got choices. Connect with your heart. Talk with passion and purpose. And don't give up when things get tough. Watch as the world starts to change and transform in your favor. Together, we're not just dreaming, we're doing. Let's craft the quality of life that we truly deserve. Keep connecting and moving your energy differently. I'm Kerry Ruff. Are you ready to skyrocket your success? I'm looking for 5 ambitious souls eager to connect their product, service, or skills with the world in just 30 days. You want in? Just check out the full details at kerryruff.com and include what you're passionate about and why you should be one of the 5. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below to avoid missing this life-changing opportunity. Let's create together.